In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an update query in Microsoft Access. An update query lets you change many records at once, which is perfect for tasks like resetting a status, adjusting prices, or standardizing values. Because it permanently modifies data, I'll point out a few safe practices as we go so you can make confident changes. Start by opening Microsoft Access, then open the database you want to work with. At the top of the window, switch to the Create tab on the ribbon. This is where you build new queries. In the Queries group, choose Query Design. Access will prompt you to select the table or tables you want to work with. Pick the table that contains the field you plan to change and add it to the design surface. Before we convert anything to an update, it's a good idea to design a quick select query to preview which records you'll affect. In Design View, double-click the fields you care about so they appear in the grid at the bottom. If you want to narrow the records, add conditions in the criteria row, such as a specific category, date range, or status. Click Run to preview the results. If the datasheet shows exactly the records you intend to modify, you're on the right track. Close the results and return to Design View. Now, in the Query Design tab, switch the query type to Update. You'll notice a new update to row appears in the grid. This is where you tell Access what the new value should be. Click into the Update to Cell for the field you want to change. You can type a fixed value like inactive for a status field, enclosing text in quotes, or you can use an expression to calculate a new value such as price 1.05 to increase prices by 5% or date to set a date field to today. Keep any filters you used in the criteria row so only the intended records are updated. If you leave criteria blank, every record in the table will be changed, so be precise here. When everything looks right, click Run. Access will display a message telling you how many rows will be affected. Read that number carefully and make sure it matches your expectations. If it does, click Yes to confirm and run the update query. After it finishes, review the table to verify the changes. As a tip, consider testing complex updates on a copy of your table first, or saving the query so you can reuse the logic later. That's all there is to creating a reliable update query in Microsoft Access.